D'amour. He's going to be our first message to the world. We record you and we'll shut off our cameras so you're in the spotlight, Father Jean. Are you ready? We're mute, still a little mute. Okay, I'm going to try that. There we go. Perfect, perfect. Okay, well, hang on just a minute. Evelyn and I will drop out of the picture for a second. Drop out of the picture. Okay, and we're going to put you in the spotlight. And Father, it's all yours. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you. May I start now?
Yes, you can. You can start.
The message to the world I would like to deliver is the message of Ubuntu. Ubuntu is an African philosophy which says that I am because you are. Ubuntu is the essence of being a person. It means that we are people through other people. We cannot be fully human alone. We are made for interdependence. We are made for family. When you have Ubuntu, you embrace others. You are generous. You are compassionate. You recognize the human dignity of each person you meet. Ubuntu speaks particularly about the fact that you can't exist as a human being in isolation. It speaks about our interconnectedness. You can't be human all by yourself. And when you have this quality, Ubuntu, you are known for your generosity. We think of ourselves far too frequently as just individuals separated from one another, whereas you are connected and what you do affects the whole world. When you do well, it spreads out. It is for the whole humanity. A person with Ubuntu is open and available to others, affirming of others does not feel threatened, that others are able and good. For he or she has a proper self-assurance that comes from knowing that he or she belongs in a greater world and is diminished when others are humiliated or diminished when others are tortured or oppressed. If the world had more Ubuntu, we would not have war, humiliations. We would not have this huge gap between the rich and the poor. You are rich so that you can make up when what is lacking for others. You are powerful so that you can help the weak, just as a mother or a father helps their children. Ubuntu means that we belong to the big family of humanity. It's what Pope Francis said in his encyclical letter, Fratelli Tutti, that all people all over the world are brothers and sisters. We are God's children, and we have to help each other, to dignify each other. And when you dignify your fellow human, you dignify yourself. And when you dehumanize another one, you dehumanize yourself. So it's that message that I would like to give to the world, the message of Ubuntu. A world with Ubuntu will dignify each human being. Thank you. I'm Father Jean D'amour from Rwanda.
Bravo. Thank you, Father Jean D'amour. Your lighting was wonderful, by the way. I just wanted to let you know, but your message was even more wonderful. So please give him a round of applause or heart. We will carry that with us in our hearts as we think about our own messages in the world and walk the talk of Ubuntu. Wonderful. Thank you so much, so much.